Hello everyone, I'm Raima and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I've tried a tutorial for Colorful Swirl Mandala. Watch the whole video and do try making this beautiful art form. Before starting, I would be really glad if you could subscribe to my channel, and you can also check my art page on Instagram for more ideas. So yeah, let's get started. For this, you will need some basic stationeries like sketchbooks, a pencil and an eraser, a scale, compass, a protector and some color pens. You can obviously take colors of your choice. So firstly, start by finding the midpoint of the page. You can mark the diagonals using the scale and easily find the midpoint. Now, take the compass and start making concentric circles from the midpoint of the page. You can increase the radius of the circles accordingly. Now, divide the circles into two halves using a scale, and using a protector, mark 10 degrees on it. Now, take the scale and draw the lines from the 10 degrees mark to the center. Remember to extend the line up to the other half of the circle. Keep repeating the process and you will see a mandala grid forming. Now, take the color pens, start making the petals in the smaller circle. You have to keep changing the color of the pen after drawing each petal. Follow the smaller grid and complete the circle by alternating the colors. Now, for the second circle, you have to select one color and draw the petal diagonally to the same color. For example, if you have chosen blue color, draw the petal in between the blue and the pink color. Just keep following the steps. Complete the grid first by making the petals diagonally of the same color, and yes, you will have a swirl mandala grid pattern ready. You can double petal if you want. It gives extra depth to the mandala. Select different patterns for each concentric circle. You can draw any pattern if you want. The end results will totally worth it. Again, keep changing the pen according to the color and repeat the same pattern flow on the consecutive petal. It looks so gorgeous and the process is super relaxing. If you are into mandala art, you should definitely try this. Honestly, I loved how it turned out. It looks so colorful and vibrant. Just makes one happy. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. There will be more videos up. So yeah, till then, keep watching. Bye.